We've been wanting to build a raised planter box for years. Our previous home didn't have the space or sunlight to support a proper garden, but our new home has a narrow nook at the bottom of our stairs that is begging for a planter box. This project was a great way to spend a day with our 7-year-old son, who helped us shop for the wood, materials, and plants, as well as work with us to build the planter. We chose Humboldt Redwood to build our planters for its natural beauty and resistance to rotten pests, which is great for a garden. We also wanted a material that was chemical-free, as we'll be eating herbs and vegetables from this organic garden. The tools we used included a cordless drill driver, jigsaw or circular saw, tape measure, heavy-duty stapler, metal shears, pencil, wood glue, and woodworking clamps. Our list of lumber consisted of 6 6-foot redwood fence boards and 2 2x2-inch 6-foot redwood lumber pieces, 1/2-inch hardware cloth, landscape cloth, and corrosive-resistant screws. We used our saw to cut the boards to length, and then pre-drilled holes at each end through the fence boards and 2x2 before securing with the glue and screws. We then cut hardware cloth to length using our metal shears and then stapled the cloth at the bottom of the planter box. This will support the soil and plants but also allow for drainage. We added a layer of landscape cloth to keep the soil in place. Final step was adding soil and herbs and vegetables we had selected. Our son is immediately taking ownership of our new garden, and we're excited to enjoy the rosemary, thyme, sage as seasonings in future meals.